Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pizza from bread using an easy method. First, choose a sturdy bread like Texas toast or focaccia. Lightly toast your bread slices to create a firm base that won't get soggy. Then, brush a thin layer of olive oil on one side of each slice. This adds a lovely flavor and helps achieve a perfectly crisp crust, making your quick pizza truly delicious and satisfying. Next, it's time for the sauce and toppings. Spread about 2 tablespoons of your favorite pizza sauce evenly over the toasted bread. Then, add a generous 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Keep your toppings simple for this quick method. Pepperoni, sliced mushrooms, or diced bell peppers work wonderfully. Don't overload the bread, as too many toppings can make it difficult to cook evenly and might lead to a soggy result. Now, let's get these pizzas baked. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your assembled bread pizzas directly onto a baking sheet or a wire rack for even cooking. Bake them for approximately 8 to 12 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the cheese is beautifully melted, bubbly, and has a lovely golden brown color. This quick baking time means you'll be enjoying your homemade pizza in no time. Once baked, carefully remove your bread pizzas from the oven. Let them cool for just 2 minutes before slicing and serving. This brief cooling period helps the cheese set and prevents burns. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh basil or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make bread pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.